Hey Nagios Community, Aaron from Nagios here. Ready to see what you all have been up to in March and April? Here we go. First off, I want to highlight a special tribute we made to honor all our fellow IT professionals the other month on our official channel. Click the link in the description to watch the full video. It's awesome.
Because it's important. Because it matters.
If you want to see more of what we've been making over on the official channel, watch this video to the end. You don't want to miss out.
Hallo, ich bin Alexander Dörsam.
Antigo GmbH posted a vlog about the CISO Summit and Nagios rights escalation among other big tech companies like VMware and Microsoft.
We're going to see how we can create a monitoring service.
INTELLIPAAT didn't waste any time in their tutorial on how to create monitoring service in Nagios. Nice work.
My name is Ravi. In this video session we are going to see
Tech's ARKIT came back with a Nagios XI install video on CentOS 7. All IT Tech Admin published 2 different videos, both about installing Nagios Core on CentOS 7. Rodrigo Nunez covered both Nagios Core and CentOS 7 topics from the automation perspective across 2 videos about installation and plugins.
Hello, my name is Sanjay and this session is about
SIMPLYLEARN now just published not 1, not 5, not 8, but 10 videos about Nagios XI. Topics covered include an introduction, managing users and plugins, Windows and Linux server monitoring, web URL and transaction monitoring, DNS queries, and the Core Configuration Manager. Incredible videos. Nice work.
I like to take an idea that I have and then create it and actually have it work, and that's probably one of the most rewarding things that you can do as a programmer.
Over on the official Nagios channel, we also launched interviews with some of our favorite IT professionals about their career journeys and what advice they have for aspiring techs.
You have a need. How do I provide a solution to fix it?
As for me, I made 2 new pro tips showing how to dashboard service problems in Nagios XI and how to use GeoIP data in Nagios Log Server. My personal favorite, how SNMP works, was released to help everyone get up to speed on the power of SNMP and how to use it in monitoring. The men and women of Nagios took some time out to give back and partnered with United Way to help end local hunger.
I'm Ethan, and I'm Nagios.
I'm Kelsey, and I am Nagios.
Lastly, we released a special project we made as a team. I am Nagios.
I understand the challenges. And I know my limitations.
But I know I'll overcome them.
The purpose of Nagios is to inspire others like you to believe in yourself and see value in what you offer and who you are.
And together,
we deliver solutions
that enable our customers to make our world
better.
to do great things.
Take some time to check all these out and remember, you are Nagios. Don't forget that. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the links to these channels below and subscribe to our community to keep learning the industry standard in IT infrastructure monitoring. Thanks everyone. See you next time.